Hey, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun scissors card with the Crafting With You bundle. Here is my scissor card using the Crafting With You bundle, which comes with all of these cute stamps that you can cut out with the dies, plus extra dies like this hoop, the cutter, the scissors, the ruler, the buttons, the basket, the thread, so many possibilities. So I started this card by using one of the basic embossing folders called, I'm calling it the crosshatch embossing folder. And so I just did that on a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white cardstock. And now I'm just going to attach it to a 5 1/8 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and we have that nice texture behind there. Next, I used the Radiating Stitches die to cut out this rectangle. It's the second largest die, and this is going to be part of my background. Then I used the mini pocket envelope die, and I used this little scalloped label right here to cut out 3 labels to put my scissors on. So I have those 3 labels. And then I cut out all of the scissors in silver foil and also in Coastal Cabana, Granny Apple Green, and Gorgeous Grape. So I'm going to show you how I put the scissors together. So when I cut this out on the silver foil, I made sure to use an adhesive sheet on the back. And so now I'm just going to trim right here at this angle, and I'm going to trim off the handles on both of these. Next, I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing and stick them onto my Granny Apple Green cardstock. When you use the adhesive sheets, it just makes everything super easy. Okay, now to hold the scissors together, I'm going to use a little bit of liquid glue. So I'm just going to put just a little spot of liquid glue right about here. And then I'm going to place the scissors right here where I cut, and you're going to let that dry. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp With Love sentiment from the stamp set, and it's this one right here. And then again, I'm going to use the Radiating Stitches dies, this circle right here, and I use that to cut it out. So I'm just going to stamp this in Gorgeous Grape. And then the last element on the card are these cute little hearts that you can cut out from the dies. It's this cute little heart right here, or there are other hearts, and I put them on glue dots. So now I'm just going to use dimensionals to assemble everything. And there is my fun Crafting With You scissors card. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the Crafting With You bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Then just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I would love to send it right out to you.